welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share my 2025 fall kitchen decor with you all. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, the cozy vibes, the warm colors, and of course all the little touches that makes the kitchen feel festive and inviting. I've added some simple yet beautiful pieces that brings in the autumn charm while keeping everything functional and cozy for the season. So guess what? Grab your pumpkin spice latte and sit back and let's dive right into this fall kitchen refresh. Most of my fall decor items, I picked them up from Home Goods, At Home, the Dollar Tree, and also Ross. So this refresh will be a super affordable one. Before I get started with the fun part, I'm just wiping down my countertops with some disinfectant spray. I like starting mine with a clean slate. It makes everything feel so much fresher and it's the perfect base for adding all my fall decor touches. So I'm putting back most of my main pieces back on my countertop. I am just adding a few fall decor pieces to make it feel more fall-like. Now I did pick up a few books from Home Goods recently and I'm just adding them here on this tray, which I didn't add before. And also this lamp that I picked up from Walmart. I love the color lamp, guys. I always wanted a countertop lamp, but I just didn't find the right size based on my countertop height. But I got this one and I'm so happy. I wish the shades were a little bit different, but I still love it. I love the color and it is a perfect color that goes with my aesthetic. I picked up this vase from the At Home. Love the shape, love the size, perfect size for my countertops. And I will be filling it with these mini stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. All their fall items were 40% off, so I snagged up about 5 of them. I think I should have picked up more, but I think the 5 will go for now. But I love the color of these stems, guys. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my God, I love them. On the other side of the stove, I am adding this mini vase that I use for my utensil holder. I picked up this mini vase from the thrift store. I got it for $6, guys. The day that I went, they had a 50% off at the vintage store, and I was so happy when I went in. I saw it and I was like, this is a perfect size to add all my utensils from my countertop, and I was so happy that I got it. Now I changed out my salt and pepper shaker or grinder here. I had the electric one prior, so I switched them out to the Target ones, which I love. And I think it goes perfect for the fall season. The one that I had prior just didn't go well with my fall decor, so I switched them out to my Target ones. I end up didn't like the smaller pumpkin there, so what I did, I switched it out to a bigger size and a more darker green to go to contrast the other colors that was on there. However, I think this one is looking a little bit cheap, so what I'm planning to do is go back to Hobby Lobby and get the other green color that is similar to the one that I have on the other side and use that color. But for right now, I'm gonna use that one. Here is another great thrift store find, guys. I found this silver tray at the thrift store recently. I was so happy when I found it. It is 100% silver, and I'm loving silver these last days, guys. I don't know what's going on with silver, but these silver are looking good. So I'm using it to just hold my fruits and my avocado, and I'm just adding a little touch of decor to it by adding this hand towel, which I'm loving. They came in a pack of 3 from Home Goods. Now moving on to the favorite part of my decorating, the countertop. I love these stems, guys. I picked these stems up from At Home. I only paid $7.99 for each stems. I love these stems, guys. They're super long though, so I had to bend them for the vase. I did DIY this vase, guys. It was blue, and I was like, you know what? I love the shape of the vase, and I didn't want to throw it away. I brought this vase from the other house, so I was like, you know what? I have to find out a way how to DIY it, and I just did. I just recently did. I think I did it like 2 days before I made over this countertop with my fall decor. But yeah, loving it, guys. These florals are perfect for the fall color. Look how beautiful they are. Next, I'm adding this candle that I picked up from Home Goods. This smells so good, guys. I haven't lighted it yet because I'm waiting, but it smells so good. And then I'm adding this pumpkin that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's velvet wrapped, and I love the color. And I picked up this little decor from the thrift store as well. And these salt and pepper pumpkin shakers, I picked them up from Home Goods. To finish off my kitchen fall decor, I'm adding these 2 end towels that I got from Ross. Loving these, guys. They go perfect with my decor. I love the colors, and I'm happy that I found them. Here is the final results, guys, of my fall decor for my kitchen. It is simple. I didn't want to do too much, and I think I nailed the way I wanted it to be. So thank you so much for staying to the end, guys, to see the results. I do appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching my channel.